Hello, this is my first year in college. I wouldn't call myself a germaphobe necessarily, but I usually feel very gross if I don't extremely thoroughly clean myself in the shower. This process usually takes a while unless I scrub super aggressively. However, when I went to college, the showers were communal. There are a total of 5 bathrooms on our floor, all spaced out within a 1-2 minute walk. Each bathroom is equipped with 2 showers. Anyway, I did think my habits were a bother to anyone until my roommate told me that she was talking to the girls next door, and one of them was mad that the shower was sometimes taken up by me at night, which makes her take a walk to the bathrooms down the hall. Apparently, when she waited for me to finish, she was stuck waiting for an hour and, at that point, just chose not to shower.